Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today's topic is FSMS, that is Food Safety and Management System. According to the FSSAI, the regulatory authority giving certification for food safety and controls the food-based hazards like adulteration, presence of toxic substances. The security is not a single-stage process, and it has to undergo various checks and controls. Various parties combine their efforts and work in a food processing. The FSMS is a tool that ensures food safety at your premises. An FSMS is a food safety management system, a systematic approach to controlling the food safety hazards within a food business to assure that food is safe to eat. All businesses are expected to put in place, execute, and maintain an FSMS based on the principles of hazard analysis critical control point. An organization that beholds a certification for FSMS represents a trust that the concerned organization has inferred appropriate FSMS declaration to its process activities, which also includes its products and services, and comply with the food safety policy and requirements prescribed under ISO 22000. And there are various organizations at the international level like hazard analysis and critical control point, ISO 22000, food safety and system certification, FSSC 22000, that offers FSMS. The International Organization for Standardization created ISO 22000 standard to regulate food safety and security and defines the essentials for a food safety management system that involves interactive communication, system management, prerequisite programs, HACCP principles. Then how does food safety management system helps? And it is an effective food safety management system that is based on the 7 principles of HACCP and can help businesses to identify and control the hazards before they threaten the safety of your food and the customers. Basically, hazard analysis, then critical control point, verification, record keeping, and documentation, then corrective action, and critical limits. Then 4 components of FSMS are general management component, that is the management supervises the entire system. It is a chronicles the national organization's role and responsibilities, policies and procedures that about the human and monetary resources, etc. Then technical component. This component includes the plans and procedures for the range of the activities needed for development, implementation, ongoing operation, and management of the national organization's food safety program, generic HACCP model, and commodity specific producers manual. Then conformance component. The conformance component includes a procedure to evaluate the individual producer conformity to the requirement of the commodity specific producer manual. The procedures involve producer request for on-farm or post-farm audit initiation and much more. Next is auditor training component, and this component converges on the education of food safety auditors. The training material for this component is formed into a general module and commodity specific module. Next is documentation for the auditor training component involves course aims, content and materials, and improvement mechanisms. Then need for FSMS. FSMS cannot be neglected in food safety and FSSAI license registration. This is because food safety is the superior reason for an FSMS program. It helps to assure that the food given by the food business operators is safe for human consumption. Many regulations has been devised by the FSSAI, including the FSMS program that all food businesses must comply with. The international standard ISO 22003 defines FSMS as a set of interrelated components that establish policies and plans. Policies have been widely used to direct and control the business organization such that the purpose of food safety is attained. For this purpose, many food safety certifications have been set to strengthen the system of the giving food safety. In India, FSMS is a system that is a set of systems that are interrelated. This involves methods, checks laid down by the FSSAI, Good manufacturing practices, safe hygienic practices, hazard analysis, and critical control features are some of them defined under the FSSAI regulations. A combination is used to assure food safety for human consumption and effective for food businesses to choose these regulatory procedures. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.